Is your computer or device acting up, leaving you frustrated and unsure about what to do? No worries, because that's where we come in. Welcome to Computer Solutions, your ultimate destination for all computer and device troubles. At Computer Solutions, we start by rigorously testing your computer or device's hardware. Our cutting-edge technology checks your hard drive, memory modules, motherboard, CPU, and video card, identifying any underlying hardware issues that might be causing you trouble. But we don't stop there. Next, your device enters the second phase of our machine, where your operating system undergoes over 10 different tests. This ensures it's running optimally and free from any software issues. Once the tests are done, we review our findings and provide you with the best course of action. Best of all, our service comes with a 30-day labor warranty, and any new hardware we install comes with a 1-year warranty, no questions asked. Our comprehensive tests eliminate all the guesswork, allowing both you and us to diagnose your device accurately and get you back up and running in no time. So why wait? Come and see why thousands have come to trust Computer Solutions with their devices. Contact us today, and let's give you the peace of mind you deserve.